Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to get MoPub into your Cocos 2D.js project using the Cocos helper. As always, you need to have completed the getting started video before being able to complete this video, and as usual the link to that video will be in the description, and as usual you need to have gotten the latest version of the Cocos helper from GitHub, and again the link will be in the description. So we're going to get started. So first thing I want to do is go to MoPub, and I'm just going to go to inventory, and you can see I've already got a app already set up, but if you haven't, you can just click add new app and follow the instructions. It's really simple to set up, so I'm going to go into that. And you can, if you haven't already got your add unit set up, you can add unit, and again that's really simple to do, but I've already got them set up, and I'm going to be using the test banner ad, just the default one that's created. So I'm going to click on that, but if you were setting it up you would probably see this screen, and that's good. So you want to get your add unit ID, but if you didn't know how to get to that screen, you just click on code integration of the ad you've clicked on. So I'm in the banner ad, I go to code integration and I can get my add unit ID. I'm just going to be implementing the banner ad, but it would be the same for the full screen ad. So I'm going to minimize that. Next I'm going to go into my project folder, which is just a blank Cocos project, and the Cocos helper folder. And I'm going to go into frameworks and copy over the MoPub framework into runtime source frameworks, runtime source, project Android, source, sonar, systems, frameworks. Just paste in there, and we will also need the MoPub folder with both of these libs. You have the MoPub volley.jar and the base SDK for MoPub, but you can get the latest ones from the MoPub website if you like. I'm just going to copy this across, and I'm going to place it into my libs folder. Okay, so that's that done. And I've already got my project open in Eclipse, so I'm just going to refresh. And you can see MoPub's not showing up. Oh, there you go. MoPub showing up. We can ignore the errors for now. So the first thing we want to do is go into the manifest, and if you scroll down you will see these required tags for MoPub, and you'll need to uncomment it. So I think the comment tag was at the end of this line like this, but you just want to uncomment it so it looks something like that. So that's all the requirements for MoPub, and that's the manifest taken care of. Next we're going to paste in our IDs into Sonar Framework Settings.xml, which is in the resources values folder, and I'm just going to be using the banner ID, but if you have a full screen you can place that in as well. So I've got my add unit ID. I'm just going to save that. Okay, so that's in now, and we're going to go into framework settings and set use MoPub to true. And you see it requires the MoPub SDK, so that's what we're going to add in now. So we're going to first add the zip file, the MoPub Android base SDK. So we're going to do this by going file, import, and it's going to be existing projects into workspace. And we're going to select an archive file, and you're going to browse to where that file is. So mine is desktop, tutorial 1, framework, runtime source, project Android libs. I'm going to click the base SDK, and once you select that you should see the project ready to import. So I'm just going to click finish, and you can see the MoPub SDK is being imported. And I'm just going to check this project out, and it usually comes up with this error of the Android support version 4 jar, so I usually remove that, click OK, and then I just go right click on the project, Android tools, add support library, and just accept the license and wait for it to add it in. And it's still got errors, so I think the other problem was you need to go to properties of the MoPub SDK project and add the jar from your libs folder, the MoPub volley 1.1.0 jar, and tick on your export, and that should get rid of the errors from that project. You see we've already got 39 errors left now. And on here, now on our project, we're going to right click properties, and we're going to go to Android, and we're going to add the MoPub SDK, and click OK, and now all the errors have gone. And I don't think we need to add the MoPub volley jar to our project, but if we do, I'll let you know. But I'm just going to go ahead with how it's set up at the moment and write the example code. So we're ready to write some example code. So notepad. Okay, so I've got my app.js open. Just going to go into Cocos helper to find the function I need. Let's Google Analytics. Grab more, it's MoPub. Okay, so you can see you've got the typical show full screen ads, hide banner ad, show banner ad. So I'm just going to show a banner ad when I click the button. Mine will probably be a test banner ad because the default one I've got set up is set in test mode. So I'm just going to show the banner ad when I click the button. So I'm just going to compile and run, and then switch over to the camcorder and show you guys the results. So the app's on my phone. Hello World starts up, and if I push the button, you can see the welcome to MoPub test ad for the banner, and it's just as simple to do the full screen ads. So hopefully this has helped you get MoPub into your Cocos 2D.js project. As always, have a good day.